Just a single line prompt, and this AI tool created end-to-end complete website. Not just this also published it to a free domain. It generated all the images, wrote the content, added real descriptions, created categories, cards, sections, and a contact page and whatnot. Everything to the point. And the craziest part, it's 100% free. You do not need any skills. Just describe your business in single line and the website is ready in 5 minutes. Now listen carefully. If you are a business owner, this can save you thousands of dollars. If you are a web developer, you can make thousands using this free AI tool. You don't need a website developer anymore. It's free. It takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Let me show you step by step in just 4 minutes.
Open the website manus.im, link is in the description. Paste the prompt, choose the option build website. The prompt is given in the description as well. Then the process will be started. Just wait for some time. Do not do anything in that. If this pop-up appears, just click the button try like anyway, because if you will choose the build with 1.6 max, then it gonna ask you some pricing and premium. Now it will go side by side and start doing all its progress automatically. You don't have to do anything, and you can just move to other operations in your laptop or computer if you are doing something. Now it will start generating the assets like the images through AI, content, description, tags, sections. Again, you don't have to do anything. Now if you notice on the left side, all the steps are about to be completed, and on the right side on the canvas, your website is being generated with different sections on the header, navigation bar, and the description tags. On the top right corner, there will be a button publish website. Once you click that publish now, you will be seeing a URL. This URL is available and deployed already. You can share this URL to anyone. And if you want to host this website on a custom domain, you can do that, but that will be chargeable. So the prompt to generate this website was for a tour and travel company named Sonaya Trips, and this website covers all the cities where you can celebrate Holi with the packages, details, and everything, inclusion, exclusion, hotel names. And later you can just click on any sections in the edit mode, and you can edit the pictures, description, anything, even the contact and the feedback as well. Congratulations, you have created a whole new complete website with a single line prompt. Everything is given into the description. If you have any questions, just comment down and I will reply on that.